So you actually like this a little bit. So both the printing we use this or just this. Like both logo you wanted to print in here and here. You want to print in this side. Both. Okay.
Is it same price or different?
Same price. Same price. Yeah. We have a different technology to do the application on the fabric, so it's okay. Whatever you choose, we're available to do flexible production custom for you.
Yes. And if you can place the bulk order, we can actually help you to get a sample make first, and then we can like taking pictures for you to check that, and then when you approve, we can actually go in for the bulk by then as well. Okay. Yeah. So that's how you want to have like advantages right here in the office. Place the order, so we can actually offer something really special for you as well.